Good evening all. Thanks for joining the session. So welcome back to shell scripting series 0 to hero. That's a basic to advanced session. In the basic level shell scripting, we are going to start working on module 2. That's a shell scripting basics today. So these are the main topics we are going to talk about, each and every topic with the example and how we will use in the real-time environment we will discuss. So first we'll discuss about in the module 2. The first concept is shell script structure. When you write any shell script, the bash scripting, the first line is we are writing. This is the line we are writing here. This is we called as shebang. So this will be we called as shebang or hash bang. Anything is fine. So shebang or hash bang we will write in the first line of the bash script. Every shell script must start with a line called shebang, also called as hashbang. This shebang tells the operating system is using which interpreter. So that should be used to execute the script. So basically, this is a bash scripting. So that's why we used a in bash, which is nothing but it is a shebang or hashbang. So the bash shell is located in this Linux operating system in root bin bash folder. It is available. Suppose if you don't write a shebang, the script may still run, but default shell maybe it is a shell or might be as a dash. Suppose you're not writing, okay, you're not writing a shebang in that particular script. The script will definitely it will execute, but it will take the a default shell in the Linux operating system, either shell or maybe dash. Either one it will take it. So which can be used a unexpected error. So you must ensure you can use the shebang or hashbang starting of the line in the shell scripting or bash script. Suppose if you have connected to Linux machine, the Linux machine, it will show you the console and you can write any shell script to execute even small line, even hello world or anything. You can create a directory. You can create the small file. OK, but must and should be you have to return the first line is a shebang. Suppose I'm going to create one Linux lab for practice today's concept. Quickly, I'll create one Linux machine in Amazon EC2 environment. So please wait. So I'm creating only one mission. Let me launch here and go to view all instances. And you can check here the mission is creating. So meanwhile, I will go to the security group. This is a firewall as we discussed. I'm going to enable the inbound traffic, delete the default security rule, open the SSH from anywhere to connect the Linux machine. So SSH is enabled in the inbound rule. I'm going to connect via SSH tools. Let's take the public IP address of the machine. Open Mobextream and connect the machine. Like this. So by default username is Ubuntu. So machine is successfully connected. Clear screen. So present location is /home Ubuntu. I'm going to create one directory. Okay. Shell scripting. So I'm going to move to this particular directory here. So I'm going to create one shell script to run, okay, and execute a small output. So the shell script is okay, hello.sh. This is the shell script I'm going to create. Before that, I put vim. Now, the first line of the script, I'm going to write hashtag. So insert hashtag exclamatory /bin/bash. The shebang we are written. I'm planning to run a small printout value by using echo. And here I'm writing the value is hello Rajesh. This is a message I'm writing here, and escape and save the script successfully. And I'm going to run here. So sh hello.sh, the file name of the shell script I'll be directly running, and hit enter. The value was written here like this. So what are the value you have put in the echo command? That value will be print here. So now the script is successfully executed. Okay, moving to the next concept. Moving to the next concept. So the next concept is running shell scripts. So this is the first point, and this is the second concept, running shell scripts. So how shell scripts we will be run? There are multiple methods are there. So let me explain. So method 1. So using bash or sh command to run the script. Okay. Bash or sh command followed by the shell script file name. Now you can run it just like this, bash and shell script file name. Okay. Example, bash.hello.sh. Or one more method is there by using sh the shell script file name. You can provide like this. So sh space hello.sh. So even this method also you can run. Let's I can show you. This is the shell script file. I can run bash hello.sh. So now successfully executed, the data will be showing. Another method sh hello.sh. Now the data is showing here. So this is a way we are executing the shell script and getting the output value. Suppose this method bash or sh, in these two methods, you don't need execution permission. You can directly, okay, bash will have read and execute permission by directly it has, so we can run it. So if you want, you can check this. Okay, this particular file, read write or permission is there. There is no executive permission. But even though if you run the command bash, if you run the command sh followed by file name, it is executing successfully because the design like the Linux operating system is like that. And another method, okay, method 2, making it executable and running directly. So without typing bash, without typing sh, you can run the shell script. But the condition is you need to follow 2 steps. Step number 1. So first, give executable permission. First, you can give executable permission. So here, whatever the file is there, that file, you need to provide the executable permission. Suppose the file name is hello.sh. So the permission is like that. The command chmod plus x plus x. X is a small letter. Chmod also small letters. Okay, lower cases. So Linux commands all are lower cases. You don't want to put upper cases. It will throw error. So the file name you can provide like this, sh. So then you will get executable permission. Then after that, you can directly execute. So then, okay, then execute, then execute directly, then execute directly. So how do you execute? Dot forward slash file name of the shell script. So directly you can execute. So dot forward slash means, okay, current directory. Dot forward slash means current directory. In that current directory, whatever the shell script file is there, you can directly type and you can execute. So let's go back. So presently read write, read permission is there. I'm going to do provide the execute permission for this file chmod place plus x the file name that is called hello.sh. Now the permission is provided. You can check here, see read write x and executable permissions. Owners, others, users, all the persons have executing permissions. You can see here once execute permissions are enabled, it file will be turned into the green symbol and as well as green color and as well as with a star. Now I can directly execute the script by using dot forward slash hello.sh, hit enter, the file is executing now. Like this, you can execute. Any questions?
Yes, that is good.
Next, concept 3, script permissions, ch mode and ch ownership. Change mode, change ownership when we are using. Okay, let's discuss about it's a very, very important concept. Script definitely have a permissions like a change mode and change ownership. So these two permissions, like permissions determine who can read, who can write, who can execute the script. That is the meaning of it. So the script permissions is nothing but permissions determine who can read, who can write, and who can execute the script. So important commands are two things. Okay, one is chmod, another one is ch ownership. So change mode is nothing but, okay, change permissions, okay, like a read, write, and execute. So these are the permissions. It comes with a change mode. So what is a change ownership? So change ownership for, okay, user and group level permissions. That is called change ownership and for users and group. Okay, change mode examples I'll give you. So how you can provide the read permissions, write permissions, and execute permissions. Read permissions, write permissions, execute permissions. RWX. Okay, RWX. So it has some values in it. So that I will explain in detail so that we can easily understand. So first we have a read, then write, then execute. So this particular read write X permissions, okay, it has some values, it has some symbols. Okay, it has values and it has some numbers. Read is nothing but, okay, read is nothing but the symbol is R. Okay, and the number is 4. Same way, write symbol is small w and the value is 2. Then execute permission, the symbol is X and the value is 1. Suppose no permissions, no access or no permission. Okay, no permissions. The symbol is nothing but dash and value is a 0. So you can look at here when you run long listing, here it will be showing dash is nothing but no access. Okay. So the order is the first three letters for owner, the second 3 letters for group, and remaining 3 letters for, okay, the remaining 3 letters for others. So actually the first letter you can ignore it. So if it is showing is a D, it is a directory. And after that, if it is showing is a hyphen, it is not a directory, might be it is a file. That's the meaning of it. So 3, 3, and 3. So total 9 values it will come. Read write X, read write X, read write X like that. So owner, group, others. So you can easily understand that very simple method. Okay, the access how it will be OGO, OGO, owners, group, others. So such a way you can do, you can understand that. RWX, RWX. Okay, so now generally if RWX the value, okay, RWX value 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So that means if owner or group or others, if the value is 7, for the change mode value is 7, okay, he has, maybe the user has full permission, full permission. Okay, you got my point. I'll tell you, you can easily understand that. So please listen carefully. So how permissions combine the combinations. The first combination is RWX X, RWX. Suppose the value is written like that. Okay, 4 for read plus 2 for write plus 1 for execute. The total value is how much it will come? 7. It is a full access. Sometime you can see only R W hyphen. So what is in this case? If suppose RW hyphen 4, definitely it will be a read. There is no doubt. Plus 2 is for write. That's it. Why? So hyphen means no access for execute permissions. 4 plus 2, how much? It comes with a 6. Are you clear? Next, R hyphen X. So here how it comes, same 4 read it will come. Then after no values for write. Then next only for execute permissions. Execute, how much it will come? Only 1. Value will be 1. So what is the value total now? 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Next what? Next what? R hyphen hyphen. So it means only read permission is there. No write permissions, no execute permissions. This is the value 4. Next, hyphen WX. So hyphen means no value. Write means 2. Then X means plus 1. That is a execute permission. The total value is 3. Next, only write permission is there. No read permission, no execute permission. So only write permission is available. That is 2. And next, hyphen hyphen X. Only executable permission is available. No other permissions are available. At last, hyphen hyphen hyphen. No permissions, 0, no permissions. The value is 0. So this is the way the values will get. Okay. So when you check this, RWX, R hyphen X, hyphen hyphen hyphen. So RWX, RWX, R hyphen X. So these are the values. You can see this table, you can easily understand. So whenever you write that, so first value will be written first after the first letter. Next 3 letters will be for owner. Next 3 letters for group. Next 3 letters for others. This is the way the permissions will be there. Okay. Is that clear? So now I'll give you, I'll put one uh, small assessment now. I'll put all, okay. I'll put one small assessment. So please ping me in the chat section. Okay. Be ready. Be ready with your command prompt. I'll give you 1 minute time. So please open your chat section. Be ready. I'll give a small task. You please work with me so that how much you are understanding. First of all, owner need full permission. Owner need full permission. Group need full permission. Others need full permissions. So how we will write the value like this? How you will be write like this? Okay, this is a question number 1. This is a quiz. Okay. Please write here. Next, question number 2. Owner need a full permission. Group no permission. Other no permission. This is a question number 2. Question number 3. Owner no permission. Group no permission. Only others have execute permission. Question number 4. Owner have full permission. Other have full permission. Group does not have any permission. And question number 5. No permission, no permission, no permission. So these are the 5 scenarios. Can you please write in this format? In this format, you can write and please type in single text. Okay, right. So the RWX format level you need to write. Okay, RWX format level you need to write. So I'll give you a couple of minutes time. So you can start right now. I'm disabling the meeting chat. So after 2 minutes, you can start pinging your answers. Okay, so this is the questions. You can check and you can please type it in your notepad once you're ready and please tell me. So please post your answers in the chat now. Now I'm enabling the chat. Only 2 people are answered. Great. Whether right or wrong, really appreciate it. So that's great. Many people are answering it. Good. So first, we will reveal the key paper now. So full permission for owner, full permission for group, and others for full permissions. RWX is a correct answer. The value is RWX. The value is 777. The first question is the right. Second question, owner has a full permission 7, no permission 0, no permission 0. 700. That means RWX hyphen 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 hyphen. That is the correct answer. Question number 2. Most of the people, everybody have given a right answer. That's really great. And question number 3, owner has no permission 0. That is hyphen hyphen hyphen. Next, group has no permission, again 0, hyphen hyphen hyphen. Then other have executing permissions. Executing permission means one value. Executing permission is nothing but value is a 1. So now the total is 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Okay. So if anybody is giving 1 also, yeah, correct. Your answer is correct. Many of the people are given correct answer. Really appreciate it. And question number 4, that is owner has a full permission, RWX, that's a 7. And next, group has a no permission, hyphen, 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 it's a 0. And other has full permissions, RWX7. So that means 707. Okay. So question number 4, 707 is a right answer. Many of the people you're given correct answer, good, except 1 or 2 people. Okay, no problem. And question number 5, owner has a no permission, hyphen, 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 0. Group, no permission, hyphen, 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 0. And others, no permission, hyphen, 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 0. 0, 0, 0. That value is a hyphen, 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 hyphen. So that is the quiz is completed now. Really great, guys. I'm really very happy. So everybody you have participated with almost 95 to 99% of the correct answer. Okay. Very, very most important interview question. Okay. They will ask questions in the Linux basics. This question is must and should. I have seen many people, okay, are attended interview. These questions, they are failed. Guys, now you please tell me, with this shortcut, will you forget this concept in future?
No, sir.
No? Clear?
No, sir.
Right? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So
It's clear.
mostly the people are thinking like this is a very tough situation, tough to understand. Okay, it's not a tough. You need to understand in a simple way, then you never forget. Okay. So my principle is keep it very simple, even complex concept. Okay. You please understand any complex concept in simple way. Perfect. So let's move on to another concept is change ownership. Okay, change ownership. So what is meaning of, okay, change ownership? So ownership, users or maybe group. These are the two people are there. We are transferring and we are giving some permissions to others. Example, like a parent is giving a ownership to children's for the rest of the life. So such kind of things. Even in Linux machine, it has a ownership is there that is called CH1, that stand for change owner. So it is been used change owner or add for a group, for a file, a directory, we are giving a permission. So there are three things you will be giving, okay, to give the permissions, okay. For a new owner, okay, that means new owner means username who will be own the file, okay. So username who will be own the file. The second one is new group. That means group that will be associated with a file or maybe the file. Suppose bunch of files is in the group. So the group is associated with the file. You will get a permission. Next, a file. The file or directory. Directory is nothing but folder. You want to modify. You want to modify. So that's a file level permissions. New owner, new group, and file. I'll give you, okay, scenario wise so you can please understand. Okay. Example number one. Example number one. Change only owner of a file. Owner of a file. So how you will be executing it? Suppose ch own ownership, whichever the user wants to provide. Example, Rajesh is a user. I want to give the ownership. What is the file name? Text dot txt, hello dot sh. What are the file it is there? You need to provide. So remaining group is the same permissions. Only the user level permissions it will change. Okay. This is the type number one. Type number two, change owner and group at the same time. That means what? I want to change the ownership for user and group at the same time. Very simple, guys. Ch own. Suppose you want to change user is a part of maybe a developers group. Okay. Or maybe DevOps group. Which file you want to give permission, that file name and followed by the extension. Then change ownership will be applied to owner as well as group at same time. So this is the way we will run it. Next, I want to change only give the permissions to owners, not for the users. So then the example number 3, very simple, change only group. Okay, keep owners, whatever it is there. I don't want to anything. So ch own, guys, I think spelling is wrong. Okay, ch1. So here users, we are not there, right? We had to keep it a blank colon DevOps team, right? So DevOps team, you need to provide that's a group. The file name you want, you can provide the file name. This is the scenario number 3. And scenario number 4, change ownership recursively for all files, all folders inside the directory. I want to change the permission for recursively for all files, all folders inside directory also. And what is that scenario? Change owner recursively for all files and folders inside a directory. The command is pretty simple. ch1 space hyphen capital R Rajesh user, the group DevOps group, and some folder like example project hyphen folder. You can provide that path also inside the folder also. That means inside the folder also. It'll give recursively give the permissions for that. So this is a got okay. A real-time example. You must be a root user to provide the sudo privileges to the change ownership without permissions. You cannot get operations is not permitted for any directory, any files in real-time environment. This knowledge is must and should. Got it? So point number 3 in module 2, script permissions. Okay. Script permissions we have like a change mode, change ownership. This all the concept is completed. And now moving to the next concept. The next concept is echo printf. Okay. Echo printf and read usage. Got it? So as we discussed, echo is used for to print and display a line of text or maybe variable into the terminal. That is the purpose of echo will be using. So as we discussed, echo, we are printing the value here. Okay. Echo, we are printing the value inside of the hello file. So hello Rajesh, the message we have seen. Okay. Just give a minute. I think lab is exhausted. I'll take a new lab. Just give a minute. Yeah, I have taken another lab. No issues. Suppose if I'm creating a file, hello.sh and insert f, type the value. So first of all, what value I need? So hashtag exclamatory / bin / dash shebang echo, and what are the value? Hello world, or what are the message you want? Escape, save and quit. Let's run the file. The value is written here. So any value after the echo, it will print. Okay, that's the purpose of we used echo. Very good. So I want some example. I want some example. So in which area they'll be used it? Suppose you want to print some text. You want to print some variable in the terminal. So in this case, echo will be using it. So only the purpose is printing the value. So next concept, printf. So printf, it is a formatted printing for more control than echo. It is similar to the printf. It's like a C language. Okay, printf, it's like a C language. We can print the value like echo, but more than control of echo is there. Suppose if you want to print any values like a printf, so between that you can put value whatever you want, but it should be written in a single line, and you can give \n. You'll be right here like this. It will be like one line. So here /n/t. So we must manually add it. So no automatic new line will be like echo. So echo will be automatically new line will come, but printf, it is not like a new line it will create. So for new line, if you want to create, you need to provide the end of that /n. You need to provide that one in printf. Next, a third concept is read concept. So read is nothing but to get the input from user. Okay, read is nothing but input from user. So that's the purpose we will use it. Suppose, come back here. So I'm going to write some script. Okay, some script. So vim, the script name is read.sh. I'm going to create. The first, as usual, shebang I'll write. So reader name, the echo value, that's a printing the value. Okay. You entered, you entered dollar name is. So next, I want to give the enter your name in a line. Then you want to enter your password in some line. You can write down the script like read. Okay. hyphen P in the bracket, enter your name, enter your name. So name is like here. So how you can read these informations and all. Okay. Suppose I'm asking echo hello, comma, dollar name. So what are the name you are entering? That name will get reflect and it will be displaying here. So why we are giving hyphen P is the prompt, the user before input. That's why I'm giving this option. So now I need to provide the closing symbol. Then next read hyphen S. S for silent mode. Input should not show for passwords. So password you should not show, right? So for that reason, I'm providing this information like a hyphen S hyphen pre. P for prompt, S for silent. Then enter your password. Okay. Then enter the password. Then echo. So just move to the after the silent input. Now I'm just escape, save and quit. So sh read.sh. Aranda, I enter the you entered. Okay, enter your file name. Rajesh. Hello Rajesh. Enter your password. So my password, I'm typing, enter. So the password was taken, but it was not displaying it. Why? Because of it, the password is a very, very sensitive information. Are you clear? So this is a way the read information, it will help. The echo value, it will help to display some information when you're running on the live. It will store the information and it will execute some job. So hyphen P is for prompt the user before input. Hyphen S is for silent purpose we are using it. You got my point? So what is the use of read usage? Any questions? The last concept in the module 2, it's a comments in shell script. Comments. Comments means you want to provide some detailed information about the specific line of the command. So then you can provide as a comment. So maybe after you creating the script, somebody can able to read and understand about the line of the command. So the comments are lines in the shell script that are ignored by shell when script is runs. So this will help for explain what script specific part of the script does, what it will do, make it the script more readable for yourself and for others in the team. Temporarily, it is disabling few lines of the code for testing and debugging. So these comment sections we will use. Okay. Suppose clear screen, Vim, read this file. Suppose I'm taking this. Okay. After entering this, what is the purpose of this line is created? So give hashtag. This is this line used to enter username. Okay, just I'm giving my reference. So when I run the script, this line will not run. If you want, you can check that. Escape, save and quit. And I'm going to run the file. So Rajesh, password. Did anywhere, whatever the comment I provided, it is displaying? No. So comments are, as I told you, the purpose of explaining the script, making the script more readable for yourself and others, and temporarily disabling the line of code for testing and debugging purpose. This is the purpose we used comments in the shell script. This is the overall concept we discussed today in the module 2. So any questions you can please ask now.
Sir, how to write multi-line comments?
So when we go for project, we'll do. Okay, no problem.
Oh,
So I'll tell you
okay, thank you.
multi-line comments also we can write down in a simple way. I'll show you. Suppose if you more than a line, if you more than a line, if you want to comment, one method is the first line you have written something, you have to put hashtag, and second line you have to put hashtag. Third line, maybe still you want to provide some information, you can put hashtag. So we have one more method is there, that is, okay, colon space less than greater marks, less greater than marks, and you can put in the double quote, put comment, and put whatever the line you want. After you completing, put comment without a single quote, then you can continue your job. So this entire monthly line information, it will stored here. It will not execute during the script running. You got my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right. Thank you all. See you tomorrow in the module 3.